Hello, my name is George, and today I'm going to do a quick digest on all this new information that has come from Nvidia during TwitchCon. It's very relevant to Twitch streamers, simply because there's a few new features. One mainly, it's a green screen feature that that Nvidia has rolled out within its RTX broadcast engine. It's part of the new SDK. It still hasn't been released yet, even though you can be one of the early adopters. So basically, I mean, you can read about this on any article, but this feature for the RTX cards, so this is from the RTX 2060 and all the way up to the RTX Titan, and it'll be a feature within OBS that allows for the use of green screen without the physical green screen. Now, I get that there's other pieces of software like chroma cam that comes with, for example, the Logitech C922 and 930 series cameras. But with these cameras, it's kind of a crapshoot with the chroma cam integration. It's very blocky, and it's not really a perfect implementation of a non green screen, so to speak. So, this new RTX broadcast engine, in this SDK, there is a new feature that, like I was just mentioning, allows for green screens to be used without a physical green screen. And part of the RTX broadcast engine that is powered by the Tensor Cores, an AI-based system that cut uh, will cut out your background, and you can have your game in place of it, just like any regular green screen. Um, Very simple. I mean, just like Jensen Hung said, it just works. So, hopefully, what we're gonna get is the ability to we can do different kind of scenes without having the cumbersome green screen or having it set up perfectly. You just have whatever wall or background, and then you can cut the background from it using this new filter, just like any normal green screening tricks that we used to have in the past. So this will be nice because it gives people an option with these RTX cards to do this without any effort within OBS. And I'm kind of waiting to get my hands on it so I can see how well it works, because it's kind of a pain in the ass. Sometimes the lighting doesn't work perfectly. It'd be nice to have the AI Tensor Cores allow me to do green screens very simply. So there's a few other. That's one major one. And one of the major ones is that you can do the green screen. A few other benefits that we get is we get augmented reality with this feature. I don't quite know how it works, but I'm guessing that you'll be able to make real-time emojis, and since it'll have face tracking features, it'll allow you to it'll be able to track your eyes. It'll be able to track your facial movements. It'll allow you to do many things, and as I said, real-time emojis, I guess, is a big part. If you don't want to, I mean, you can use an overlay, and it doesn't have it hit on performance. A lot of overlays, like mask overlays, that you can use. They have a huge performance hit on the PC. It'd be nice if it leverage portion of the RTX cards, Tensor Cores that aren't being used by current games to accommodate that performance that we haven't been able to utilize up until what looks like now. So, like I was saying, you're probably going to have some kind of augmented reality. You can make real-time emojis with your current face without the need for external software. You can make filters, set up your scenes however you want. It's some interesting stuff. It's within the RTX AR SDK for the augmented reality stuff. And there's also one more called a RTX style filters, which can transform your anime, or which can apparently what it says is it can transform your webcam feed to look like anime or whatever style of art image you prefer. So there's some interesting stuff. Let's see. For the time being, it looks like this is gonna be leveraged within the RTX NVENC encoder, so it'll probably just be an option within OBS that you simply push it and then you can get these options. It doesn't go into too much information, but you can be an early adopter for this SDK if you want to try this. I have not decided to apply for this SDK or early trial SDK, simply because I think I already have my green screen up to scratch. But they're saying it'll be anywhere from a couple of months to a few months, so you're not going to have to wait too long. I'm sure it'll be in a driver's update within Nvidia, but a lot of the people currently are saying that this is available now. It's not. I'm pretty sure you have to apply for the SDK, and they'll allow you to download like a pre-release version or something, so it won't be perfect either. So that'll be something you guys can look forward to in the future. It'll allow us to leverage the features on our RTX cards that we were incapable of doing up until hopefully soon. And it'll give us a better bang for our buck for our products. And that's good for the consumer market. It's a pretty great leap in technology if they even just accommodating streamers. It's a big step. So that's it for this video for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a like and a sub if you enjoyed this content. Sorry I couldn't go into depth too much with this. It's pretty new news. I make content every day, so make sure you're back to check tomorrow for some new content. Thank you kindly. Bye for now.